Well, in the last video that I did on this, we tried a method which I'm calling the cross method to see if that helps. And that was okay, but it took some time. And I wonder if there's another way of doing this. So let's consider a different approach. Of course, you can use the formula. And there's another thing called completing the square. But if we're just doing it at this level here, what could we do? Well, one method is this. And we write P stands for product, A for add, M for multiply. So this is how we do this method. Okay, listen carefully. I'm going to multiply those two out. So I get 2 times minus 20, so I get minus 40. I want two numbers that multiply to get to minus 40, that add to get to 3. So two numbers that multiply to get minus 40, that when you add, you get minus 3. It's very similar to the other method by trial and improvement, but I think you'll find it's slightly quicker. So we're going to think of 2 and 10, and of course, 4 and 10, sorry. 4 and 10, minus, plus, but I don't get my minus 3. And I can do plus 4, minus 10, that doesn't get it. So what other numbers can I think about? Well, I can go for 8 and 5. That looks like it's good. Now 8 and 5 is good because I want the minus 3. So if I make that the minus, then that works well. So very similar to previously, but now I've got this. Watch what I do. So, and this is interesting. It's a nice method, and I think you'll see how much quicker this is. So I've now got these numbers in here, but notice that if I multiplied it out, I'd get 4x squared. So there's going to be some sort of adjustment, but how to do this is you put the 2x there and the 2x there, and we'll adjust it afterwards, and you'll see how I do that. In fact, you'll see it right now. Can you see there's a factor of 2 in this bracket here? So I can take that factor of 2 out, and I'm left with this. Now, because I actually had a factor of 2 greater than I needed here, by taking it out, I get to what it should be. So the factor of this one is literally that one there. And that's how you do these ones. Very, very quickly. We put PAM, it helps me remember. So we multiply these two together, the PM. We multiply the PM to get minus 40, but add to get the minus 3. And then we're going to think of numbers that work. Minus 4, 10, don't forget the negative there. But that became plus 6, this became minus 6, that was no good. Then we tried 8 and 5, and you can instantly see a difference of 3. And because it's a minus, we need to make that minus there, the bigger number, to drag it down. Now here's the tricky bit. Right, we write out the brackets like this. So we have the 2x and the 2x in each bracket. I know that actually this is going to be an answer such that it's going to be something like this. I know that, but in order to solve it this way, you put the 2x and the 2x there. Then you simply put these in, and then you have to get back that readjustment. You have to then undo the thing you did. And I can find that here, and it'll always be a factor. It'll always be a factor in one of these, maybe sometimes in both even. And you take the common factors out, and you get the 2 here. And of course, if I divide all of this by 2, I get just this. And you can see how this is the answer. So there. Nice method, eh?